Being broke is so expensive and boring too. Well, that was until I learned carpentry and woodworking at IPES Ghana. Yes, I discovered a fun way to make good money. In as little as 3 months, I already knew the basics of woodworking. Now, depending on the course you choose, like cabinet, furniture, fences, doors and window, general carpentry, design blueprints and more, it could last 3 years. You gain skills and national and international certifications too. Who knew people pay good money for things like that? Join the weekday or weekend classes today at IPES Ghana.